Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be solving a question relating to what AP, that means arithmetic progression. And I'm going to be using this question to explain some basic concepts of arithmetic progression, that means the formula for the n term, and some other relevant information. So stick with me to the end of this video. But before we commence, I would like to remind you to click the subscribe button and the like button, the share button, and don't also forget to comment your answer to this question before solving it. And then don't also forget to comment your suggestion, your thoughts. Okay, so let's start. They say find the following term of an AP: 3, 7, 11 plus, dot dot dot. So the terms are: A is equals to 20th term, B is equals to 26th term, and C is equals to the 30th term. Now, for those of you that will love to attempt this question, don't forget to drop your answer in the comment section before watching the full video. Okay, so let's continue. So now, our A is equals to 3. If you look down towards the ending of the screen, you'll see T subset 20 is equals to 3 plus 19 times 4. That will be in which, after we're done with analyzing this expression for the 20th term, that we're going to get before we know that we're on the right track. Okay, so now let's just get the value for A and the value for D. In this case, A is equals to 3 because A in this case stands for the first term, and D in this case is the common difference, which is the difference between the second term minus the first term, and the difference between the third term minus the second term. It's just for you to find the common difference between all of them, or between the terms. So now the second term minus the first term is going to give me 4. Then the third term minus the second term is also going to give me 4. So my common difference in this case, which is denoted as D, is equals to 4. Since I know the value for D, I know the value for A, then the next step is to write out the n term formula, which is T subscript n is equals to A plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket D. Okay, where n in this case is the n term, but since we are looking for the 20th term, I will replace that n with the 20th term, and the 20th term is now equals to 79 if you use your calculator to solve it. Okay, now let's look for the 26th term. That is the question B. Okay, we were able to get the value for A and D before we solved the first question. Then we don't need to start getting the value for A and D. We just need to write it out, then substitute it into the n term formula. Then we get the final answer for the 26th term. So the value for A is equals to 3, the value for D is equals to 4, and the n term formula is also written on the screen. So now let's look for the 26th term. This is going to give me T subscript 26 is equals to 3 plus open bracket 26 minus 1 close bracket times 4. Now this is 3 plus 25 times 4. 25 times 4 is 100. So this is going to give me 3 plus 100, which is 103. So my take home for you guys is you should try out the one for the 30th term. Comment your answer in the comment section. I will be in the comment section looking out for each and every one of your answers, so that we can know who was able to grab knowledge from this tutorial. So do it to make use of the comment section to comment the answer to your 30th term, that is question 6. And don't also forget to comment your thoughts, your suggestion, and to also rate this video in the comment section. Bye for now.